Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with KLKN, Channel 8 out of Lincoln, looking for some snowfall potential as we head through March 7th through, the models vary. And they're going to be picking up on snowfall too, because there's a few chances. None of them are really huge, at least most of them. But we'll go through model number 1 first and take a look, see what it looks like. This is through Wednesday morning, so just anywhere from about a half an inch for north central and northwestern Nebraska. But we go into Thursday and Friday and kind of tacks on a little more. Look at that. Another 2, 3, 4 inches, some spots a little higher than that, 6 or 7 according to this model by Thursday afternoon on March 9th. So kind of a 1-2 punch, the second punch being the harder punch. Model number 2 has that half an inch to an inch possibility through Tuesday evening, so not a lot there. Then as we get past Wednesday and go into Thursday and Friday, it also brings in a decent swath of snow. Not as much. This one makes a little more sense. 1 to 2 or 3 inches of snow. It does get a little further south, though. Notice along Interstate 80, around an inch or so, and then a little less the further south you go. So an interesting model there to watch for Wednesday into Thursday. Model number 3, also a couple of different swaths. This is the first one, a little more through Tuesday evening, 2 or 3 inches in, looks like Cherry County and Sheridan County, with Valentine and Gordon seeing 2 or 3 or 4 inches of snow. And then you go a little bit further. This model doesn't quite go out that far, but it gets there towards Thursday noon. And it throws another inch or 2 all the way down to Interstate 80. So looking at a chance for snow there as well. But there's a chance for rain too in this area. So if it gets a degree or 2 warmer, that won't be snow. So just a heads up on that. Model number 4, let's see what this one does. The same thing, has that swath of snow for north central and northwest Nebraska, brings it down just a little bit further south. And then as we head into Wednesday, it tries to bring a little more into eastern Nebraska and northeast Nebraska. So you can see models are not cooperating. They're not on the same page. 1, 2, and 3 kind of have similar solutions. This one says, it's over there. Okay, so 3 or 4 inches possible in northeast Nebraska according to model number 4. And then this is model number 5, which is a very short-term model, so it's only going to pick up on the next through Wednesday afternoon, and that just has half an inch to an inch for most of central and western Nebraska. So there you have it. This is model number 6, another short-term model, and that brings northwest Nebraska, north central Nebraska, again, half an inch or so. So the 2 short-term models agree with the other models, saying north central and northwest Nebraska might see half an inch to an inch through early Wednesday morning, and then we have to wait until Thursday for our next chance. So we'll be updating that as we get closer, so something to keep an eye on. Subscribe and you'll know whenever I post a new one of these, so I appreciate it. We'll talk soon.